What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to send money from Philippines to USA. First, we have to select a money transfer service here. So now the easiest and the cheapest way at the moment is by using Wise. So if you guys want to also use Wise, I will leave a referral link in the description below. If you use that link to create your account, you will get $8,000 in transfer with no added fees and $75 as a bonus once you make at least 3 transactions on Wise here. So how do we start using Wise here? Well, in this case, first things first, obviously you want to create your account and open up your account here. Now, in this case, to proceed with a transaction, especially sending from the Philippines to the USA, what you need to do is you want to go to the payments button at the bottom right of your screen, and you want to go and click on the option here that says send at the top left. And in here, you want to specify a few things. So first is you want to set the correct country here. So first is in the section for you send, make sure to specify that this is from the Philippines and the recipient gets should be set to USD for USA. Now from here, that's going to indicate how much you want to send. Like this is like example, let's just say like 5,000 Philippine peso. And from here, you now have the option to set up a few things. So first is you have the option to start paying with the following options here. So you have the bank, e-wallet transfer. So you want to go and click on the change option here, and you can go and choose banks or e-wallet transfer, or if you have already a balance with your Wise account, you can go and choose that. But what we need to do next is you want to choose the arrive date here. So you could schedule this for a different day or now, so depending on your preference. And also take in mind about the fees here and taxes. Just keep that in mind. But once you're done, you could go and just click on the add recipient option at the very bottom. Now, since we've chosen USA here, we have a bunch of options here. We have search Wise. So if the recipient that you're sending to already has a Wise account, you could just directly send that into their account, or you can enter their banking details here. Now, also have the capture from PDF or image here. So in this case, you just need to upload a bill, invoice, or screenshot. And in this case, they'll do the rest for you. But let's go and choose the option here that says enter bank details. And from here, you want to choose someone else. And from here, you just need to provide their banking details. That includes their email and also recipient's bank details. Now, you could choose ACH, Wire, or SWIFT. So sometimes you may need to choose Wire here. So again, the recipient should provide you the details themselves, but you just need to provide all the details needed in here, and also make sure the details are correct, like the account number, the account type, the country here, which in this case, again, it's going to be USA. So just type in United States. And from here, again, just fill out the necessary details and just click on confirm. Once you hit on confirm here, you just need to review a few things and proceed with the payment, and you should be able to send money from Philippines to USA. And that's about it. So this one is pretty easy as long as you follow the steps, and you should be good. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.